Hi, I'm Mami Bruna Arsandaniaina. Um, I'm originally from Madagascar, but now I'm doing my Master of Divinity at the Pacific Lutheran Theological Seminary at Berkeley, California, United States. And today I'm glad to introduce you to my childhood friend. We lost contact years ago. Before a few months ago, I heard about him through a common friend of two of us, who called me desperately, literally crying, that he was in an hospital bed, um, fighting between life and death. And I didn't even expect to meet him again. That's why today I'm so glad that I can help him through this video, because he's now pursuing a very expensive medical treatment. And that is why we made this video, to try to find help to support him. So thank you very much. I let him introduce himself and his illness in a little detail.
If I'm recommending. Hello, Bruna. Thank you for your introduction. And we thank God also for his guidance and his love for each one of us so that we can meet again after years. My name is Romain, and I'm already 35 years, and I've been living with leukemia since 4 years right now. And this last 4 years was really challenging years for me. But thanks to his grace, still I am alive and I still have hope also in Jesus. It started with experience in my previous work where I was working in a laboratory, because in my previous company, which is called Madak Export, we were exporting mines and many other products. And I was in charge of the laboratory. I was working, and I was exposed to many radiations like uraniums and X-ray, and that affected my health especially. And I asked my company at that time to do something to protect myself and the other workers within my company. Unfortunately, they did not do anything. That's why finally I decided to leave the company. Despite of that decision, inside of me, I was already impacted. And I have already this leukemia within me. And few years after leaving the company, I was diagnosed positive with leukemia. And I started my battle there. Because here in Madagascar, we don't have health assurance or anything like that. I have to fight by myself by finding money to pay the treatments and everything that I need for my health. And I was a little bit struggling, if I can say that. But still, I tried my best to do what I can do and to follow the treatment which is already prescribed by the doctor. Right now, there are medicines that I need to take every day. There are some medicines that I'm using also. But the most important thing that is needed right now is the blood transfusion, which is needed every 14 days. Each 2 weeks, I need blood transfusion. I was also suggested to do some bone plantations, or if I can say that in English. But still, we are waiting. We are thinking about how can we do that, where and how. But until now, medications and blood transfusions are the most useful thing that I.
Can you tell us a little bit, like around how much is this and how long will you need to do that regular treatment?
About how long, I don't have the answer yet. Before, I'm used to do it every week. I had to do my blood transfusion every week. And after the control, when they saw that it is improving, they said that we can do it each 10 days. And after a few months of doing it every 10 days, and after seeing that there are also some improvement, they suggested that it should be done every 14 days. And I'm still in that 14 days period schedule right now. I don't know when it will stop and how it will progress, but we are just following the instruction. One session of blood transfusion cost me around 450,000 RR, which is around $100 or things like that. That is the cost that I need every 14 days for the blood transfusion. Medication is not yet included in that amount yet.
So you need like around how much per month for the blood transfusion and the medications?
So per month, I need around $3,000 for both.
300?
Not 300.
Yeah.
300
$300 per month.
For both medications and blood transfusions.
And how did you pay for it now, like during these past 4 years?
In general, I have just a little farm here at home. So I can just sell like chickens or geese, or I'm also drawing. That is one part of my incomes. I'm drawing pictures, portraits, and because people need it, they ask me to do their own portrait, and then I earn a little bit money with it. Unfortunately, I do it for full-time job because drawing is a little bit hard and makes me a little bit tired by staying and focusing on the things. So I have to limit the drawing that I can do. With my little farm also, I cannot cover all the need. I just can sell and earn few money, and I ask some friends also to help me if they can do something or if they have the possibility to help me. And that's why I have a vision to enlarge, especially my farm, so that I will be able to be a little bit independent, and I will not be able to, I will not need to ask for helping again each time I need. But for now, because I cannot cover all the expenses, I have to ask to my friends to join me in this journey.
So around how much money do you set up your goal for that project?
Sorry?
How much money is your goal for that fundraising project?
For the fundraising project, I think $3,000 or $4,000 is largely enough for me to do it, so that I can have enough animals within my farm and plan also for all the transaction, if I can say that, within that firm.
Thank you for sharing that. So if people want to contribute, how can they help you? How can they give you their contribution?
First, they can send it through the link that I've already shared through GoFundMe, or directly they can send it to me through my mobile wallet, or through Western Union also, writing exactly my name and my ID card within it. I can share that two things so that they can also choose what is better for them.
Thank you very much for sharing that. Thank you also for watching, and we are looking forward for your contribution.
Thank you so much, and may God bless you as you are going to do something in Jesus' name. And I would like to share the verse in Ruth chapter 2 and verse 12 for each one of you. May God reward you for what you are doing for me. May God bless you all, and thank you so much.